appointment taking procedure for checkup at Shama Homeo Clinic. Step 1. Call, SMS or WhatsApp on this number 0303 7578 803 and let us know that you want in clinic or online appointment. Step 2. On call, SMS or WhatsApp, our assistant will say you that thank you for contacting Shama Homeo Clinic, Lahore, Pakistan. Please let us know how we can help you. Step 3. In response to this message, you have to WhatsApp us your name and your mode of consultation, either in clinic or online appointment. For example,
I'm Zainab. I want online appointment for checkup.
Or Abdullah in clinic appointment. Step 4. On sharing your preference of taking online appointment, our staff will share the online appointment taking procedure with you. And on the other hand, if you have texted us for in-clinic appointment, then you will be confirmed your appointment within 24 hours. And clinic location will be also shared with you. Thank you.